We gotta put the other ones. Then when I'm playing the old beats, the girls are not. These girls don't know. I be playing the old song, they don't know the old song. They're not playing bangles, the girls don't know the bangles.
Why is Marvel here with oxtail bones wearing but anybody else? Trying to give it to Rogue.
You want the oxtail
My name's not Rogue.
On the right?
No, not this one. Her dog. Sorry about that. It's unfortunate. I didn't tell him to name your dog after you.
Okay, what's happening?
So basically, we're back
What's
with the
happening is the Pinks are very upset right now. Can we talk about that? How do you feel? They all stormed you and they're all upset you chopped your own child. How does it feel?
I did it before.
Yeah, and you will do it again. So let them know. Let them know.
Am I upset again?
Tell them not you, girl. Where is she? Where's the girl with the blue hair? Oh, she's over there. Look, upset and upset. Upset and upset her. Can we zoom in? Stop! Can we zoom in? Can we zoom in? Can we zoom in? Look at it. Mad! Mad!
Gosh.
You can't record this.
Right? It's fine. I have no home. Mother,
Reclaiming my time.
Why do you know?
Get the fuck out of here about
Just rapping right there. Girl, the only man you have in your house is
What fuck you about to do? What fuck you about to do? Don't worry
What man you
about that.
got?
What man you got?
19 when?
When?
What man you got?
My man is
Since 19
my
when?
man is
When?
very
What
operated. My man is operated. My man is my man is my man is your man is your man. Lesbians.
Okay.
Lesbians.
The attack of the night.
How many-
right
how
now.
many-
You're getting stormed, bitch.
What's it called? One of the stinker, one of the pinker, pink lady gang. But girl, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness.
That's why it's not
Click gang. Oh, fair. Not fair.
Why would you come
That's
to
why
your
it's
house?
not
I'm so cold.
You mother bitch.
You laughed. I was she laughing. I wasn't giving no shockers out here.
We know, girl. You still now you, but now she wants to go game. But now she wants to step up her wig game. But she can do it back then.
Oh,
He's gonna regret that one. He's gonna regret that one. He's gonna regret that one.
She came out in a curly Whitney
On the
Houston wig.
video.
Quick spot up. She came out with a curly Whitney Houston. I want to dance wig. Okay.
I came out with 3 wigs that day.
I want to dance.
Bitch.
I want to dance.
You still? Where's the wig I gave you?
You didn't have it for Halloween.
What happened to that one? Talking about my fucking wigs that he wanted.
You're voguing, not walking in life way.
Bitch, my wigs are always popping. You will not try.
It's okay. My wigs always fell off. It's
Bitch.
okay.
That's why it's always mother on top of mother on top of mother.
Literally on top of mother, the other mother.
That is a fucking mess. So about after the function now, let's go back. All the way back to the ball.
The ball, Danger, I love you. You have so much support.
Woo! Mother Old Navy.
Hold on. Shout out to Big Frida and this bitch. Big Frida.
Hello. For money.
We got Big Frida all the way from New Orleans here. Shout out to Mother.
You will beat this bitch, okay? How dare you miss the ball, bitch? All that boo.
Get from work, I tried.
Fakashi's a slap.
That's Big
No one's
Frida.
gonna kick him? No one's gonna kick him?
Oh wait, pause. No Old Navy's walk.
I almost threw this at you.
Oh my god!
The house of
That's why
Ishmael.
she's the mother of this house, bitch.
Ooh, they just frightened me.
Okay.
What, 7?
No.
I can't be run by no
Oh, Mother
lesbians.
Old Navy.
Yes!
Yeah.
Right
On the
through
roll?
this.
They don't know you in New York?
They know me in New York. What's up?
Nigga.
What's
They
up?
know you in New York. What's up?
No. You know.
Girl.
She's doing this camera is eating it today. Okay.
The fact that the flash is on like that.
Girl, tripping.
7. What were you feeling like when you were getting your fucking tents today, bitch?
I was feeling like, but I was feeling like I couldn't hear the beat. Why was there no speakers?
That's a good question.
I know I could ask.
I was feeling like, why was there no speakers?
Okay, Marvel.
All right.
Hold on.
My mother, thank you.
Why was there no speakers? That's all I wanted to know.
Okay.
Why was there no speakers?
I don't know, but you fucked it
That's what
up.
I was feeling like. And I also was feeling like this was tired.
Like what?
This was tired.
Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ooh.
Wait, you want to be honest? It was tired.
Ooh.
Right.
Wait.
No, I don't know. I'm true. I don't think this. Wait. This is after the function, right?
It is. You already know how it is.
This is. Wait, this is after the function, right?
Yes.
I chanted today.
You commentated. Yes, you
Legend
did.
to a legend to a legend.
After the what?
Function.
The what?
You know
I did
what?
on. After the what?
You're waiting for the function, right?
I'm okay. For the function. So let me know when the function starts, so we can talk about after the function. Because my greatest highlight was.
The gag is, if Ice and Jada stand side by side, you don't know which one's right. Who's Jada?
You said who's Jada?
I'm still coming for you.
Stop calling me.
Oh wow! You're trying to say that Ice and you're trying to say that Ice and overall.
Respect her.
How do you say Jada and Ice look alike?
I don't see it.
I get what you're trying to say. I get what you're trying to say.
I get what I'm trying to say.
Give me one.
I get what you're trying to say.
All black people don't look
I
like
get what you're trying to say.
No shade. If Ice can't make a booking,
I get what you're trying to say, but not tonight.
You know what? I'm so sorry.
Let's talk about
no
it.
shade, bitch.
We're talking.
Let's talk about it.
First off, it's her weed, and the only person who's getting this weed is 1, 2, 3.
As one of the last legends.
Nigga, I'm not
7. I knew he was gonna say that too. Fuck you.
Let's talk about the function. Okay, so the function started. I was on time.
No, you weren't. You came at that night.
I was on time.
Bitch, I got there at 8.
Look, the flyer said 8 to 1 a.m.
Was it flyer?
Is it 1 a.m. yet?
12.
It said 1 a.m.
It is in Pink Kicks.
That's
It is 1 a.m. It is midnight in Pink Kicks.
You always time by the
It is
end.
midnight in Pink
Time by the
Kicks.
end.
Hi, smoke up. Love. What I said to you, only thing we're getting is black. The
Isn't it her weed?
No, it's my weed.
Oh.
Her weed is already crumbled up in cigarettes already. Broken up. So
Okay.
that's not weed. It's black.
Okay, wait.
Got it.
So I was on time, and the reason why I said I was on time because if you know me, I'm never on time. So I was on time. All right. I was on time. Right? Okay, I was on time. I was on time. She knows me. Okay. How's the function? The function was
How
good.
do you feel about your daughter getting
I don't feel nothing because I don't feel nothing because it's a pink thing. It's a pink thing, and I am honored to be able to be a pink now.
Are you honored?
No, because pink is what helped start the scene.
Period. Everywhere.
And right, no shade.
Around the world.
And as a person
Around the whole world.
who's been everywhere, not sleeping with everybody, but I've been everywhere.
What's everywhere?
I'm just saying,
What's everywhere?
like, I'm glad to be a part of now be a part of this the second coming. But
The second coming?
I will say this.
Hold on, you like first off, this is not the Messiah.
Wait, but you will
This
say
ain't the
this
Messiah,
much.
because if it's the second coming,
I
I
will
want to
say
know
this.
what's coming, because if it's coming, it's coming
I
with
will say
straps.
this. This new ballroom generation, it's a whole new era, a whole new game. And I hope y'all bitches is ready.
Yeah, I hope you bitches understand
because we're not playing. We're not playing. And I'm gonna tell you like this because
Who's gonna play? The Pigs gonna play?
we got you together when we were poochies, and we're gonna get you together now that we're pinks.
But who's we
Okay.
though? Who's we? Who's we? I'm not even sitting there. I'm an outside commenter.
She's still talking. She's still talking. Why you talking? You don't even come out.
Bitch, you don't come out.
I know, so you should.
Bitch, you gonna be pink? Shout out to Purple. 7 Purple.
Like, I know. So that's why you should. Like, what?
You know this? With this new house that I
Okay, hold on.
and this
Wait.
new hair
Hold
product, I'm
on.
here for it.
Finish what you're saying.
The pleasure is.
It's okay. 7. Continue.
Anyway, it's a new era. It's a new feeling.
It's a new
Y'all
pink.
bitches-
It's a new pink.
It's not a new pink. But it is. It's a new. It is a new.
It's a new
But I'm
pink.
gonna just listen.
With a new stink.
It's a new era. Y'all bitches better make me know it
Who's y'all bitches?
because
How about you
now,
make them know it first?
now everything's established. Everything's determined. We all know who we are. Everybody has a place. Everybody has a name to make, or has their name, or has
Kiki.
something. So now, make me know it.
So why was
Okay?
it Angel and Pleasure Pink Lady here tonight?
Angel.
Lives over there. So why is
Angel, Angel Pink Lady, Godfather is taking care of himself right now because he has some personal
Oh,
issues
Simon, rest in peace, Simon Pink.
to deal with. So that's why he's
Pleasure?
not here.
There was
Pleasure is not
runaway?
a Pink Lady.
No?
No. You want me to show you the message?
Oh, she said no?
Want me to show you the message?
Oh, her saying
She's
no?
not a Pink.
Yep.
All right. What?
Angel's a pink again. Oh,
Godfather,
shout out to the
Angel
drags.
Pink Lady.
Shout out to the drags.
It's a
Shout out
pink.
to the women
Yes.
who take their time.
Oh, Cash.
Godfather.
Shout out to the drags.
Oh, for the Pink,
Hey.
my two mothers.
Wait.
All right.
Wait.
That's what.
Wait, whoa.
Whoa.
It's not a lesbian run house anymore?
Huh? What?
So wait, which is the mother?
Huh?
Who's the mother?
Huh?
You got three.
Yeah?
Cash.
Yeah?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
okay.
Because
Shout out to
no, because
Lika mother.
No, because I thought you were speaking Somalian. So I'm gonna speak it to you English. I'm overall for the Pink.
Okay, Wellesley mother.
Canada for the Pink. Under me is my two mothers, my godfather, and my two. Who are you?
Cash 007 in the lovely house of 07. It's been
For
great.
Cash?
Where's 7? Because right now you're looking like 4. So where's 7? Because I'm trying to figure out where 1, 2, and 3 went. Bitch, there's 4.
I might have been out of school for a long time, but I haven't forgotten how to read, bitch. Come here. You want to get some? Oh,
Bring that ass here, boy.
Because you want to get rap.
Hold on. But
Bring that ass here, boy.
hold
It ain't
on.
about
Who's
me.
that check? Who's the highest?
How many times have you won? How many times have you won?
The same amount of 3s that you would so
How many times have you won?
I got you ready? 6.
How many
Where?
times have you won?
Really?
Where's Richie?
Are they fighting?
Richie, fuck him up! In the car?
Yeah, I thought I.
Yo, run up, dog. Walk.
Oh, Cash, you are.
He's never won anything. Don't believe in Cash. Cash is a failure. Don't ever, if he's a father of the house, don't join. Don't even support him. Don't go to anything that he's a part of. I'm telling you right now, that is not a person you want to be a part of.
2-2s, man, don't even know. 2-2. What are you talking about?
Nothing. I'm talking about.
What is the?
We love the community. The community is so lit, and
Lit like you?
I'm just saying, yeah. You gonna listen to an icon? Remember what I said 2 seconds ago? You don't have to get. Remember what I said 2 seconds ago?
What she said?
You-
Repeat it.
I don't need to repeat it.
Were you stuttering?
It's there. Oh, but did I stutter?
It's on the clip.
It's in the clip.
It's in the clip. We'll see.
We do it for the clip.
I didn't do it for the clip. I informed the public. It wasn't for the clip because I was putting on.
Was it PSA?
It was more than a PSA. It was more. If you heard what I said, it was more than a PSA. But anyways, overall for the Pink,
Overall?
my mother's.
Wait, so you're overall of New York? And New York, all the pinks?
Why you still talking?
Because it's overall. It's overall mean like overall, like all the countries, all the pinks, the US.
Canada.
Exactly what the fuck you
No. So
Canada.
you're Canada father.
Canada.
Canada father. Pink lady. Terminology
Do you
is
know my
correct.
passport?
Huh? Bitch, you know I got my passport. Do you have your passport now?
Do you have a passport?
Wait, you have your passport, but can you travel?
Okay, good night.
Were you born in this country?
I ain't got no mark on my arms. Do you have one else country?
Bitch, I ain't never had a mark on my arm.
my arm-
Hello, it's a tattoo. The fuck? The fuck I look like a coconut? I ain't no fucking coconut.
Oh my god!
But let's figure out. Don't join anything that catches the heart. This function was not a function. It was
An appetizer.
not an appetizer. It was
Lemon
come
water.
together. It was a come together.
Lemon water.
the next function, the function had the potential to be a function. I don't know why it wasn't a function. I want to say bad publicity. I don't know.
Many people came out. There's just no
What people?
There's no speakers.
Let's talk about that. There was no speakers. Was there a mic?
Yeah.
There was a mic.
I was on it.
There wasn't a beat.
There wasn't a beat.
No shade. New Vogue beats.
Okay, so
How are you gonna play new Vogue beats when the girls can't even vote to the old ones?
Or the hot. Or the hot.
So that's not happening.
all right.
What else? What else happened or didn't happen?
2 seconds.
There was no. Did any categories happen? I just went to go take a piss and
Gosh.
Extra.
no categories happened. None of that. Here's what
That's
we
not-
want to see. Here's what we want to see.
Cash.
We want to see legendary performance.
Okay, it's gonna be $100 at
Because
Halloween.
bitch, that's what we want to see.
There's no shade.
Legendary performance. We want to see
The old girls.
Halloween's gonna be nasty.
Runway
Let's just be like
done the
that.
right way.
Bring back
Halloween
Stacey.
is gonna be nasty. Period. That's the shade.
We want to see the actual Kiki scene come and Kiki, and
Alright, bro.
the regular people don't Kiki with the legends because the legends Kiki on our own. And that's about it. I
Okay.
can't think of anything else that would make this more magical.
We pretty much.
Oh! Cupid flip a table.
You know what? Take me back. Throwback Thursday. Throwback fucking
I wasn't
Thursday.
even here for that. I'm
Well,
mad as hell.
that was 7.
I was cooking.
That was
That was
in
7.
New York and I heard
You know,
about that shit.
we need somebody to come and flip a table. Actually, we need a table to be there so that it can be flipped.
We need to
There
bring
was
back the
tables.
Kiki ball with all the people who were like there like 2-3 years ago. Just to come back
Oh.
to Kiki.
I
No
mean,
shade.
they're still invited
No
to these
shade.
ones.
Huh?
No,
They're still invited to these balls.
No, I think we just need to like just put out a personal invite and be like, if you were here between the years of blase blah blase
That's a lot
blah,
of people.
come back and Kiki for one night only. That's what you should call the ball.
We might even get so one
Yo.
day.
You know what?
One
If
night
you
only.
if you did it, Ice, who knows? People will do it.
That's true.
Do it.
no. On some
Do
real
it.
shit, though,
The
Awesome,
bad,
Mercy, though.
fine, Mother Pinks, you guys can do that. I'll be nasty.
like the the TKBA awards ball was lit. Like, there's so many like balls that were lit, and I'm just like that made you like know it. And it's just like now when we have balls like this and they're dry as fuck, it's just like wow. Because like the TKBA awards ball was lit. Well, she told us it was kind of lit. What other ball was lit?
Marvel's Black Ball, the all black at Glad Day. You were on the mic, remember?
Oh, yeah.
My birthday ball section.
And make sure
Venus's
and-
ball was
and
there.
Yeah,
make
but those are
sure
real old. I thought you
come
meant,
out
like,
to Mia
recent.
Marvel's ball that's coming up
Ooh.
in
December.
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 The Constance balls are lit. It's just like
It was
so,
cute.
Like,
Which
lit.
ball?
The Alice in Wonderland ball.
Yeah, the Alice in Wonderland ball was nice. It's just so inclusive where it's like, I don't know, like you have to split it between like open all the categories or do we stick to like the scripts?
Yeah.
Right. It's just too much of a ballroom experience and not a ball.
Yeah.
And not every Kiki ball needs to be extravagant.
Right. It can be
Like
simple.
why? Like this is the thing. Like honestly,
why can't
we just Kiki?
Right, that's
why
what
can't we
today
keep, like-
was annoying me about that. Like with
Like,
even
not
like
every
the
Kiki ball
cash
has to be,
thing,
like, a
with
parade
cash
of-
walking performance and
of-
whatever. I'm like, Blue Jays
Yeah,
just
like, I'm
have
like,
blue
you
and
just, like,
white.
just come out,
You don't
have a
need
good
to
time.
think that hard, guys. We're just talking about performance right now. This is not a fashion category
Yeah,
where you
like,
need to be
like,
dressed
let's
up
come out, Kiki,
or
have a good
runway.
time.
This is performance.
Yeah,
We
that-
want
that-
people to vogue. Like that's what we want to. Like we want that. Like let people kiki.
Later, guys.
Ugh.
But yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
what's
Later,
up.
it is getting. It's cold. I'm gagging.
That is freezing. But
All right.
Deuces, all that. Pink's out. Pink's
All
fun.
right. Shout out to the Pinks and the New Resurrection.
Yeah.
Will you guys be coming out for the fucking 500 though?
Where's the first? That's the one.
Halloween.
When Diva's here. When Diva's coming.
Yeah.
Ooh, I have to walk that ball. Will be in
Yeah.
the building.
$500 house with the most points.
That's it.
So you need to send all the girls out.
We don't got everybody without a green card in our house. So.
You know what?
I don't know. We'll try it though. We'll make an effort.
All right. Well, this is everybody. Shout out. After the function out.